OnePlus has launched its latest flagship packed with some impressive specs. The OnePlus 9 Pro features a sleeker design, excellent camera quality, and to boost it up even more, it is equipped with a Snapdragon 888 processor that offers incredible performance, yet you might want to add some extra for more convenience use. So in this video, we'll show you some of the must-have OnePlus 9 Pro accessories that can give your OnePlus an extra bit of protection, more battery life, and make your everyday usage even more exciting. OnePlus 9 Pro comes with a 65-watt fast charging adapter that can charge your phone faster, but if you're looking for more effortless charging, you can go for the OnePlus Warp wireless charger. Simply place your device on the stand for fast and seamless charging. The fast and powerful Warp Charge wireless charger allows you to charge your device without interrupting your day. You can even charge your device without removing its case, as it can charge through heavy protection phone case of up to 8mm thick. Equipped with Qi compatibility, you can also charge your non-OnePlus devices that support wireless charging. The charger automatically powers off when it detects foreign metal objects near its surface, keeping your device safe. It also comes with safety features that prevent overheating, overcurrent, and overvoltage, so you can have secured and hassle-free charging. So charge your OnePlus 9 Pro more efficiently, yet having fewer efforts with this OnePlus Warp wireless charger. Would you like to have some bumps and scratches on your brand new OnePlus 9 Pro? If not that, you should definitely get your phone wrapped up with a protective case, and OnePlus does offer a wide range of cases to protect your smartphone. Built from high-quality materials, these phone cases come in a light and flexible design that perfectly fits your smartphone. Once you wrap your phone with these cases, you'll feel comfortable while using the phone, as these cases ensure the highest gripping and the texture seems very smooth. These full wrap cases will cover the back and edges of your phone so that you can have maximum durability. So brighten up the looks of your OnePlus 9 Pro with these beautiful and durable cases that not only protect your phone but also provide better gripping. Though the OnePlus 9 Pro comes with Corning Gorilla Glass for display protection, you might want to add a screen protector for extra safety, and screen protectors from Elixir can be a very good choice. Designed to keep your OnePlus 9 Pro display free from scratches and scrapes, these screen protectors save your phone from objects that could hamper the quality of your display. Elixir screen protector from the OnePlus 9 Pro has been designed to be compatible with the in-screen fingerprint reader, ensuring you can continue to use your phone without any issues. This screen protector has built-in anti-blue light technology that filters the potentially harmful blue light rays that are produced by the phone's display. This helps to protect your vision and improve your sleep. So prevent your phone's display from any kind of external scratch or scrape simply by applying this screen protector from Elixir. As the OnePlus 9 Pro doesn't offer any earphones with the box, you'll need to buy a nice pair of earphones to feel the best of music, and OnePlus does really offer lots of earphones options like their TWS Buds, Bullet, and many more. Among them, OnePlus Buds Z can be a very decent choice. Equipped with 10mm dynamic drivers, the Buds deliver deep bass definition to your ears. The dynamic 3D stereo with Dolby Atmos and panoramic sound lets you feel the enhanced depth and details of music with every beat. Once you fit the buds in your ears properly with the silicone ear tips, the buds create decent isolation that blocks plenty of the background noises. Combining efficient power management, the buds offer up to 20 hours of battery life on a single full charge so that you can listen to favorite tracks for quite a long period of time. With all these features and good sound quality, getting the TWS OnePlus Buds Z would make a perfect combination with your OnePlus 9 Pro. Keep your OnePlus 9 Pro powered up no matter wherever you are with this 10,000 mAh power bank from OnePlus that is ready to charge your device anytime. Equipped with 18-watt power delivery, this powerful lithium polymer battery fully charges your favorite OnePlus device significantly faster. It is also compatible with Qualcomm Quick Charge to charge your other devices as well. The power bank comes with dual USB ports so that you can charge two devices simultaneously. You can charge low current devices such as Bluetooth headsets and other wearable devices by double-clicking the power button to turn on the low current mode. The user-friendly power bank also supports safe pass through charging, including 12 layers of circuit protection, allowing you to fast charge your phone and power bank at the same time. So if you want to charge your OnePlus 9 Pro even in the places where you might not find any power source, then surely carrying the OnePlus power bank would be a wise choice. So that is our video on the must-have accessories for the OnePlus 9 Pro for making it more resistant to scratch, also for a better user experience. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.